Hey, this is Mike with Compass Heating Air in East Dundee, Illinois. I just wanted to get a quick video shot of a new addition to the Mitsubishi ductless family. We're really excited about this guy. This is actually our second one we've put in the last couple weeks. They just came out very recently, within the last two and a half weeks. But this is their answer for not having any room on a wall. As you can see here, not really a whole lot over there. You can get down low, but above the window there's not much room. And this slides up sort of in between the ceiling joists. We have had to make some adjustments on both of the jobs that we've done so far with them, but when you're all done, this is what you get. This is the final product. Super quiet, just like all of Mitsubishi's ductless equipment, and we're looking forward to many more of these. These are very popular already. So anyway, this is the new MLZ recessed ceiling cassette from Mitsubishi. It's a one-way, so you can see the louver here in the front, and the air comes in through the back here, blows out through the front across the room, just like if you had a wall-mounted unit blowing across. The vane is adjustable, blower settings, everything. So this is Mike with Compass Heating and Air, and have a great day.